5G. So today, we are very excited and very proud to introduce Redmi Note's first ever 5G smartphone, Redmi Note 9T. Ready, set, 5G. Redmi Note 9T is ready for 5G. Well, 5G is more than just speed. Redmi Note 9T's 5G is about smooth connectivity as well. Let's dive deeper. Before 5G, typical mid-range smartphones had 2x2 MIMO. What does that mean? That's multiple input and multiple output. With this, data transfer is limited to 2 simultaneous data streams. This results to average connection that often leads to lags and long streaming times when watching online movies. I'm sure all of you have met this frustration of waiting for something to load, still loading, and having to wait for something for so long. Well, the Redmi Note 9T solves this. It has 4x4 MIMO, which gives 4 simultaneous data streams for a super smooth connection. So whether you're uploading files, working online, or even having online video calls, 4x4 MIMO will enable you to get more things done in less time. Redmi Note 9T takes convenience to a new level with 5G plus 5G dual SIM. This is a rare find as only a few smartphones have this feature as of the moment. With 2 different 5G networks, you could maximize your network coverage to get the 5G that is always on. So whether you're working or playing, you could just use one phone, but 2 separate 5G SIM cards. And to meet the demands of the 5G, we also coupled it with a super powerful chipset. At the core of Redmi Note 9T is the MediaTek Dimensity 800U. It's a very powerful 5G chipset that is ready to meet all your 5G demands. So you might wonder, just how powerful is this chipset? It is so powerful that even without 5G network coverage, it outperforms a lot of the other mid-range chipsets. So here's why. First of all, based on Geekbench benchmark scores, the MediaTek Dimensity 800U chip alone achieves an astonishing 93% increase in overall performance compared to Snapdragon 665. It also has a built-in 7 nanometer advanced process technology. This is usually found only in flagship chipsets. It also packs more transistors and components on the chip, allowing your phone to do more calculations without getting too hot. And ultimately, they're delivering higher processing power while minimizing power consumption. The chipset also sports an octa-core processor that features 2 boosted big A76 cores with a clock speed of 2.4 gigahertz and 6 power efficiency cores. All of these combine to offer a fast, responsive performance for gaming, watching videos, to multitasking using your favorite apps. We also ensure that we have a powerful GPU to handle 5G speed. The Mali G57 GPU has a huge 280% performance upgrade compared to the Redmi Note's previous generation. This delivers sharper video and gaming over 5G. And in addition, Redmi Note 9T will feature a brand new UFS 2.2 storage technology for selected variants. That's up to 100% faster than UFS 2.1. This allows you to get things done even quicker, like faster loading of apps. Nobody likes it when their phone gets too hot. It amounts to problems like battery drain, forced shutdown, and even long-term damage to your phone. Which is why on the Redmi Note 9T, we've installed 7 thermal sensors. It uses machine learning to automatically adjust and control temperature of critical components on your phone. This minimizes the chance of your smartphone from overheating. MediaTek Dimensity 800U is also one of the first processors in the market to include an integrated 5G modem. It is highly power efficient and thus extends your battery life of your smartphone. One of the major concerns of 5G is how quickly it drains battery life. But on the Redmi Note 9T, it was made to overcome this problem. Redmi Note 9T packs a 5,000 milliamp battery that allows you to enjoy 5G longer. In fact, that's more than 2 days longer. And besides long battery life, we also upgraded the battery life cycle on the Redmi Note 9T. So typical smartphones will have a battery that will run for 2 years before it loses 20% of its original capacity. With the Redmi Note 9T, you'll get almost 3 years of optimal battery performance. And we didn't stop with just the hardware side of things. Redmi Note 9T's MIUI 12 also has powerful software features that bring out the fullest potential of your battery capacity. Redmi Note 9T has enough power to enjoy 5G longer. It gives you 2 days of battery usage, plus it also supports 18-watt fast charging, 3 years of consistent healthy battery performance, and 4 different battery optimization features that you could easily enable in your settings. So you have a powerful chipset and super fast 5G smartphone that is long lasting. Why not make a statement with Redmi Note 9T's impressive design? Redmi Note 9T features two colors to represent the new generation of 5G. First, we have my personal favorite, the mystical daybreak purple. It's inspired by the morning sky that symbolizes a new day and a new dawn. Next, we have the Redmi Note 9T, which comes in futuristic nightfall black. It's inspired by the starry sky, perfect for all minimalists out there. So here's the two colors of the Redmi Note 9T. We have Daybreak Purple and Nightfall Black. Redmi Note 9T also comes with a unibody 3D curve back, so it's really comfortable to grip. It is also designed with a textured fingerprint-resistant finish. This means that it's fingerprint-free and grease-free, leaving your phone looking really new and clean each time. It's not only fingerprint-free, but also splash-free. A splash-proof nano coating is applied to help protect against exposure to high humidity and accidental splashes. We also brought back the 2-in-1 side-mounted fingerprint sensor, as many of you love from the Redmi Note 9 series. Only this time, we made it even better. It's more comfortable with no side ridges. The fingerprint sensor also allows you to instantly unlock and turn on and off your phone wherever you are. Smartphones have become an integral part of our lives these days, and so a cracked phone can be very frustrating. This is why we've included your favorite Corning Gorilla Glass 5 as well to protect it against accidental drops. And of course, in case you need it, still here is the headphone jack. So you have the option to use wired or wireless earphones. Redmi Note 9T is ready to impress and ready to capture the perfect moment as well. And in case you haven't noticed, we've adopted a brand new halo ring design that sports a 48 megapixel high-res AI triple camera. The 48 megapixel main AI camera is ready to capture all your memorable moments with utmost clarity. Or whether it is a night we're remembering with the night mode, or using the depth sensor portrait camera to capture life's candid moments, showing people at their most real, like this one here. And using the macro camera for unexpected captures from life's simple pleasures. And of course, a front camera to let you remember how much fun you had. So ready, set, and capture with the Redmi Note 9T. It's truly an awesome phone. Next, of course, Redmi Note 9T is also ready to deliver an exceptional experience like no other. You could enjoy seamless 5G experience. We've included many cool features. So first, Redmi Note 9T features a 6.53-inch full-screen display so you can experience 5G high-res videos and gaming in full HD+. So what if you game or binge watch on TV for long hours? Redmi Note 9T is also low blue light certified from TÜV Rheinland. This will help you reduce fatigue and eye strains. Coupled with great display is a great audio experience. And of course, it's also equipped with NFC for quick and easy contactless payments. Just in case you need it, FM radio is also just one tap away. Redmi Note 9T enables you to fully experience the power and convenience of 5G anytime, anywhere. So to summarize, Redmi Note 9T is ready to give you the ultimate 5G experience. Immersive audio visual experience with FHD Plus and dual speakers. So today, Redmi Note 9T starts at €229. That's the recommended retail price for the 4 plus 64 variant. Yes, that is 229 euros for a 5G smartphone. But actually, we are not yet done. We did say we want to make 5G accessible, right? So we also have an early bird price of, how much is it? 199 euros. I know this price is really, really jaw dropping, pretty impressive. Because at Xiaomi, we really want to make great tech accessible to everyone. So make sure you grab your first 5G smartphone now. So for those who want a higher storage, we also have one thing for you. It starts at 269 euros for the 4 plus 128 variant. Again, amazing products at honest prices. We also have an early bird price of 249 euros.